The steps are out of order. But this elevator isn't.
Okay.
This is the elevator to the former Architecture Hall Library, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. O'Keefe elevator, floor 1 is gone.
Okay, now, could we please get out of here? Oh, come on. We said to go get out.
But look at the ceiling tiles, Mom.
Yes.
I think these are new.
Okay.
What do you think? The ceiling tiles are new?
Yes, I do. Okay.
O'Keefe, Impulse, suspension, phone, ADA compliant, 2,100 pounds.
Okay, come on.
This is with the 1080p 60 frames.
Okay. Where are we going now?
Go back outside.
Okay, which way we go?
Go back upstairs.
Okay, then come on.
Say now, end the video?
End the video.
Say that's it?
That's it.